What's up everybody, Matt Maran here for a video from the 2018 New York Auto Show. So this is the 2019 Subaru Forester, which believe it or not is all new, although in the front there it looks very similar to the old one, but this is the sport trim, so that's why you see those new red accents, which are pretty cool. The back end though is where you see the biggest changes there, and I think it is a nice improvement overall as far as the styling goes, although it is certainly very conservative, but that is the case with most stuff in this segment. But anyway, so this is the sport version, but it is not any sportier than the standard Forester. So unfortunately, the real bummer from this event is that there is no XT version anymore for 2019, and so it's just using the same 2.5-liter boxer naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engine that now does 182 horsepower and 176 pound-feet of torque, which is I guess like 12 horsepower more than before. It is an improvement, but yeah, it's kind of a disappointment they got rid of the XT. There's no reason to. They still have the engine. Anyway, this is the normal touring trim, which is the nicer, more luxurious one, and does look very nice in the shade of green. This is where you can see the nicer materials here on this one instead of the more basic interior. The Sport has the Harman Kardon sound system there. A very similar interior to what you see on the new Subaru Ascent and also in other Subarus in the range. There's a new driver focus system though that actually those little sensors on the top of that display there actually will log you in almost and recognize you and customize the car's settings whenever it recognizes your face. That also helps with driver attention, so that it'll know if you're not paying attention while you're driving. They also now all have standard eyesight safety tech as well. You can see there's a new terrain selector there for the all-wheel drive system. Very nice leather seats there. You get this brown leather similar to the touring trim on the Ascent. Back seat space, it's supposedly roomier, quieter, better driving in all those ways. But you can see a very spacious back seat there. Plenty of room. Shouldn't have any complaints there as far as the back seat goes. And then the trunk is also huge here. It's right on par with the new RAV4, which I'll be showing as well here at New York. It has a built-in Harman Kardon subwoofer there, and lots of space there. And so, I mean, those are really the big changes. The slightly additional bump in horsepower. They didn't get too specific with MPGs or anything like that yet. I'm sure they're going to try and improve that. It's still just the CVT. I don't believe you can actually get a manual anymore, although I didn't see that confirmed, but I wouldn't be too surprised considering they killed the XT as well. But we'll have to wait and see as far as transmissions go. But we do know CVT is standard. But yeah, so anyway, that is the 2019 Subaru Forester. Let me know your thoughts about it in the comments below.